Greetings. I thought it would be beneficial to come back to you to give you some important dates and some important information for the second half of this term. First, you should be working on your Chapter 2 lab assignment. This is located under your Microsoft Publisher section in the textbook. So that assignment is due on Monday, July the 2nd. Please make sure that you're working on your Chapter 2 lab assignments. Next, you will receive an email in regards to your midterm progress report. That will be available by July 3rd by 11:59. Now, even though there is no class scheduled for July 4th, 5th, and 6th, your discussion 6 is still due on Wednesday, July 4th by 11:59. Another thing you need to know is that on July 6th, that's the last day to withdraw without an academic penalty. If you're thinking about withdrawing from any course at Albany Technical College, you need to go to your financial aid advisor to make sure you understand your status, to make sure you're able to withdraw. If you're not able to withdraw, you need to receive tutorial assistance or lab assistance from our lab assistant, Miss Betty Bryant. Another thing you need to know is that Chapter 3 assignment is going to be a little bit different. I am going to allow you all to replace that Lab 3 with Extend Your Knowledge. So please be mindful that Lab 1, Lab 2, and Extend Your Knowledge are required for Chapter 3 pub assignment. Chapter 3 assignment will be due on Monday, July the 9th. Another thing I want to reiterate is that you need to complete your FAFSA application if you have not done so yet. Another thing you need to do, you need to make sure that you register. We encourage you to register to secure your seat. Last but not least, just be mindful that we have Microsoft Office certification, and I'm giving you all the opportunity to earn 20 bonus points. You can earn those 20 bonus points regardless if you pass or fail. Just take the exam, and you can take it for the PowerPoint section. Just email me to let me know when you would like to take the exam. Now, there is a deadline. The deadline for the Microsoft certification exam will be July 20th on a Friday. Dates that I would not be available will be July 5th, 6th, 12th, 13th, and 16th. Again, I would not be available July 5th, 6th, 12th, 13th, and 16th. So I hope that I was able to provide everything for you, and I'm wishing everyone a happy 4th of July. Let's have fun.